Have you ever felt a knot in your stomach at the thought of learning new software, especially Excel? Well, you're not alone. Let's delve into the story of Maya, a young woman from a bustling city who once felt the same way. Maya was an enthusiastic professional, but the mere mention of Excel made her anxious. The thought of spreadsheets, formulas, and functions overwhelmed her. However, a crucial project at work became a turning point in her life. It required extensive knowledge of Excel, leaving Maya with no choice but to confront her fear. Maya sought guidance from her colleague, Alex, who was an expert in Excel. Alex reassured her that with patience and practice, she could master Excel. They started with the basics, navigating through the software, using shortcuts, and dealing with large sets of data. Maya began to realize that her fear was more psychological than technical, and she started to see the light at the end of the tunnel. As Maya progressed, she discovered the creative potential of Excel. With Alex's guidance, she learned to create visually appealing spreadsheets, realizing that Excel was more than just a tool for calculations. With each step, Maya's confidence grew, and the once daunting software started to seem less intimidating. The real breakthrough happened when Maya embraced the power of formulas and functions. Alex demystified these complex concepts, breaking them down into manageable parts. Maya practiced these skills, applying them to real-life scenarios. However, the most significant revelation for Maya was realizing that making mistakes was a part of the learning process. She started to view these errors as stepping stones, opportunities to grow and enhance her skills. Months passed, and the once fearful novice transformed into a confident Excel user. She mastered advanced features and even started sharing her newfound knowledge with her colleagues. When the day of the project arrived, Maya was ready. She tackled the spreadsheet-filled tasks with ease, impressing her boss and team with her proficiency in Excel. Her journey from fear to mastery was complete. Maya's story is a testament to the power of confronting our fears and embracing learning. She taught us that with the right mindset, guidance, and persistent practice, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. From then on, Maya became an advocate for learning, reminding others that fear is not a barrier but an opportunity to grow and excel. Her story became an inspiration, proving that fear, when faced with determination, can lead to unimaginable heights of success.